Okay, so I figured out how to test this. Okay, so the only thing I did here was to change this thing, American grading. The program doesn't accept space as a character, so in order to put spaces, you need to put an underscore right here. That was the only thing that was wrong with our program. Now we can test it. So the cool thing about this piece of software, PC Int, is that it helps you play this flowchart and it also helps you look at it step by step. Okay, so let's just click these steps and it'll take us step by step of the program execution. Okay, so as you can see here, it says ejecución iniciada. So we started the program, and the program here, this command, this prompt, is asking us for this value. It's asking us for G. Okay, so in this point, we will be giving it the value for G. So uh, let's say 95. So once I hit enter, the program will read 95 and assign it to my variable G. So let's click 95. Okay, so uh, it checked if G was greater than 90. It turned out to be true, and it gives us this prompt. Your grade is A. See? And it's finished. And that is basically it. Okay, let's do it again. But now, uh, okay, it starts with G. So now let's give it 85. So in theory, this should look here and see if G is greater than 90. Since that is false, then it will go in this direction and check if G is greater than 80. Since this is true, then it will go here and it will show us your grade is B, and that would be the end of the algorithm. So let's give it 85. See, we're at this point right now. Give it 85, hit enter. It's checking. This turns out to be true, and our grade is B. And that is it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again for 75. So we start here, we're prompting the user for G, we give it 75. It's going to check here, this is false, check here, this is false, check here, this is true, print out your grade is C, and we're done. Now, let's do it again for 65. Okay, 65. Check here, false, check here, false, check here, false, check here. This would be true. Your grade is 6, your grade is D, and we're done. Okay, now let's do it for our final case when we get an F. So let's say 55, we get 55. Check here, this is false. 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 Your grade is an F. There you go. Your grade is F. And we're done. Okay, so that is why this thing is very pretty didactic. We can see how the program works step by step. If you want, I don't think I should upload this. I think you guys should do it by yourself. So why don't you go ahead and download PC Int, install it, and play with it a little bit. This is a very basic if example, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, bye.